History of Baguio. Towards the end of the 19th century, increasing numbers of Westerners became attracted to the cooler mountain towns in the highlands of South and Southeast Asia, in the belief that lengthy stays in such climate greatly benefited the body and spirit. One of these popular mountainous destinations was the province of Benguet, the location of Baguio City. Benguet had been under the control of the Spanish, whose regime in the Philippines lasted more than 300 years. These two maps show that despite some revision made on the Burnham plan through the years, its main features like the Burnham Park, government and commercial center still exist and remain significant landmarks in the present day in Baguio City. In 1898, when the Americans first came to Cafagao, the original name of Baguio City, there were only few houses and no roads. The area was used for herding cattle and horses during the dry months of the year, while during the wet season, it was all marshland with a shallow lake. The favorable climate and the high potential of the area for development as the holiday destination, convalescent camp recreational center, and as the refugee to escape from tropical fatigue were the reason why the Americans proposed Baguio as a place to develop. In the early 1900s, the Americans established the first civil government in the province of Benguet, with Cafagao, later renamed Baguio, designated as the capital. Baguio was thought to be derived from the native Iloilo word bigyo, which is moss-like green plant that grew around the area where the Burnham Park is now located. In the June 1903, the Philippine Commission passed a resolution making the town of Baguio the summer capital of the country. Also included in the resolution was the call for the construction of buildings and transportation roads. In 1905, a modern city and vision to accommodate up to 25,000 people was planned and laid out by Daniel H. Burnham, an American architect and a city planner. In 1909, Baguio was declared the second chartered city in the Philippines after Manila. Some of the major construction projects and improvements that took place for early Some of the major construction projects and improvements that took place from the early 1900s up to the Second World War included the establishment of the telephone system, Baguio General Hospital, Philippines Constabulary School, water system, sanitary camp, Baguio Airport, hydroelectric plant, the Baguio Central School, and the construction of Cannon Road that connects Baguio and Manila and other lowland areas. After a history of steady development, Baguio City suffered a setback when Japan occupied the Philippines in 1941. A garrison and a concentration camp were set up in the city during the war. The city is also known as the place where Japanese generals signed their capitalization in 1945. After the war, much has been done to transform Baguio City into one of the bustling metropolises in the country and a leading urban center north of Metro Manila. Today, it functions as educational, trading, tourism, and administrative hub in northern Luzon, apart from being the summer capital of the Philippines. Products and services. Vegetables are among the products of Baguio City is proud of. This is because of the myriad of plants and fresh vegetables such as cabbage easily grow in the mild climate of the city. Aside from this, various flowers also grow in the city such as the different varieties of roses, sunflowers, hydra, marigolds, impatiens, and Christmas cactus. Food items like peanut brittle, choco flakes, lengua, strawberry, and ube jams are also ranked among the favorites of the tourists here. Baguio Flower Festival. Tourism is one of the Baguio City's main industry. That was because of its weather and history. The population of the city doubled every holidays and summer vacations. Main attraction is the city includes the Panagbenga Festival which attracts both locals and foreign visitors. Burnham Park, located at the central part of the city which has a boating lake. There are also markets in the park during bank holidays that sell all kinds of locally made products including wood carving, leather belts, t-shirts, and bags. Strawberry Farm, located at La Trinidad. It would take you about 30 minutes of ride. Everyone is allowed to pick strawberry, but you have to pay for it in kilos. Outside the farm are local sellers that sell souvenir items like strawberry keychain, strawberry bags, hats, and many more. There are also some who sell strawberry taho and strawberry ice cream. Mines View Park, cold as such as it looks, the old gold mines of Baguio, wherein 25% of UK gold came from it. It has its own visiting center and small cafeteria inside. Botanical Garden, known as the Igorot Village. This place features sunflowers, native huts, and other types of Igorot dwellings.